Hey, what is up guys? John here at Tekmogo. Today we're going to be doing something different, but kind of the same. This is the AOHi 100-watt charger/power adapter with GAN Technology. Now you can pick this up from Amazon or directly from AOHi. I'll put links in the description in case you want to check them out. Just a heads up, the Amazon links are affiliate links. If you use the links to make a purchase, I'll receive a small commission and you help support the channel at no additional cost. It's very much appreciated. Now in this video, we'll unbox these, check out the contents inside the box. I'll use the charger on a few of my devices, and I'll let you know what I think about it. So this unit was sent to me from AOHi, so big thank you to them for letting me try this out. But let's be clear, everything I say in this video is in my own opinion. Alright, back to the review. So it comes in this white, black, and yellow box. You have a picture of the charger there front and center, some AOHi branding up top, and the model there at the bottom. On the back, you have some specs. Now let's open this up and check out the contents of the box. So inside the box, you've got a user manual, a USB-C cable, and the charger. I love the build of the cable. Just like the other ones, the tips are encased in a zinc alloy and the cable is protected by a cloth weave material. With this build, you don't have to worry about kinks in the cable or the ends cracking. The charger is made out of a hard plastic and matte black. It's solid and hefty and feels very robust. It's much bigger than the 65-watt charger, but much smaller than the competition. Now this charger has two USB-C ports, allowing you to power and charge two devices at once. It has smart charging technology and can sense the max watt a device can take. It will also fast charge a device up to 70% if the device is capable of fast charging, then switches to normal charging speed till 100%, and then will start trickle charging while the device is plugged in, so you don't have to worry about it overcharging. I love being able to charge my laptop and phone on one adapter. It's less things I need to carry when I'm out and about. Once again, this is good for worldwide use. It works on 110 and 220 wall outlets. Now earlier I mentioned that this charger had GAN technology. GAN is gallium nitride and is a very hard, mechanically stable wide bandgap semiconductor with higher breakdown strength, faster switching speed, higher thermal conductivity, and lower on resistance. Power devices based on GAN significantly outperform silicon-based devices. So with that tech, what you get is a more compact sized power adapter with higher power density, higher efficiency, and better thermal management. Now let's take a quick look at the charger. On one side you've got some AOHi branding, on the other it says 100-watt GAN, and on the back you've got your USB-C ports. What I really like about this charger is that the two prongs actually fold into the device, so you don't accidentally bend or break them. Now with all that said, if you need a charger/power adapter that can support two devices at once, this may be one you want to look into. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you found value in this video and like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button. It really does help out the channel, and while you're at it, hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. As always, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.